Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we will learn 3D basics. Just one box I will tell. Okay, in 3D basics. Okay, so let us start. So I open my Rhino, delete these 2D lines. Okay. So I will delete these 2D lines. I will maximize my view. Okay, delete all these lines. Okay. Now, first here I want to create a rough box. Okay, so how to create a rough box? Go to this tool, box tool. Okay, so now you can do it either in top view or in perspective view. So in top view, I roughly create a box like this. Click and drag. Click here, then again push your mouse to the top, then click here. You see you get your 3D box. Okay, so Control Shift E, zoom extends, you get like this. Okay, so now this is the 3D box which we have created. So now I have created this roughly. Okay, now let me create it with a measurement of 5, 5 and 5. It may be 5, 6, 7, anything. Length, width, height. Okay, so now I delete this one. So how to do that? So now here I take the box command. So always go through this command line. Okay, whenever I have taught AutoCAD, I think your batch I have not taught AutoCAD. Okay, okay, so here you see this place. Okay, this is actually the guide. Okay, this line, this command line is actually the guide, and if you follow this guide properly, you can easily do any kind of work. You will not have any doubts in future. You don't have to remember the commands or anything. Just read this instruction. First corner of the base, in bracket we have got diagonal, 3-point, vertical or center. Okay, so now here I want to create a 3-point. Okay, so here I want to create a 3-point box. Okay, so I will click on this 3-point. Now see, computer is asking you start of the edge. In the top view, click anywhere. So now computer is showing a line. Okay, so here I type 5 and press enter and click on that point. So now that has been registered as 5 units, just like your line command. So now I go to the bottom. Here suppose I give 8 units. Type 8, enter. So now 8 has been registered here. So don't click in the wrong time. It will be a mistake. So now I want to give the height. Okay. So what should be the height? I want to give suppose 10 units. Okay. So press 10, enter. Okay. So click here. Okay. So then I type 10 and enter. Now see, you have got box of perfect unit. Let me repeat it. Okay. So I go to this box, click on 3-point, click on the starting point, 5, enter, click, 10, enter, click. See, now this click was to end the point. Okay, so that was not clicked perfectly, so it did not take in the first time. So this time it is taking. So now here I am giving 10, enter, this is the height. So if I give the input of length, width and height, computer Rhino is automatically creating our object with our desired measurement. Okay, so 3D is used for two purposes. One is conceptual drawing. So if you are not clear how the design will be, so you can just do roughly box and create the conceptual shape. After that, give the measurements and start doing something. Okay, because as a product designer, you cannot start with measurement and create a product. First you draw rough sketches. Okay, so that sketch is not of perfect measurement, that is to the scale. In the same way, when you are practicing in 3D, roughly you can draw boxes, experiment it, and when the design is final, you can give measurement to it and recreate it with measurements again perfectly. This is the actual process. Okay, so now I have done the 3D basics. Okay, so I have created a rough box, then I showed you how to create a box with measurement. Okay, so now we will do our product plan. Okay, ओनली आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, जो बॉक्स मैंने पढ़ाया मैं सिर्फ उसी में इसको करूंगा. एंड हियर नॉट ओनली बॉक्स, वी विल बी यूजिंग आवर 2D नॉलेज ऑल्सो टू कन्वर्ट दिस 2D आउटपुट इनटू ए 3D आउटपुट. सो मुझे ये वाला एक टेबल चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज द टेबल प्लान विच आई हैव मेड. ओके, मैंने इसका फर्स्ट रफ लेआउट भी दिखाया है और उसमें मैंने मेजरमेंट डाला है वो भी दिखाया है. अनलेस यू डोंट हैव दिस टू थिंग्स इन प्लेस, यू शुड नॉट सिट इन राइनो और एनी टेक्निकल सॉफ्टवेयर टू डू ए 3D डिजाइन. सबसे पहले आपको पेंसिल ड्राइंग बनाइए या फिर कंप्यूटर में ड्राइंग से एक्वेंटेड है तो उसमें बनाइए. देन यू स्टार्ट विथ परफेक्ट मेजरमेंट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे दिस इज ऑफ 3 feet बाय 3 feet. ओके, सो नाउ इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. आई डिलीट इट. सो नाउ व्हेन आई से 3 feet, कैन आई एंटर 3 feet हियर? नो, मैं 3 एंटर करूंगा, इट विल नॉट टेक एज फीट, इट विल टेक एज इंचेस. So if I have to type 3 feet, then I have got two ways. One is I will type 3, then I will type the symbol of feet, the keyboard symbol which is to the left side of your enter button is your feet. Okay, so if I am typing 3, I have to accompany it by this feet. Okay, so now what I do, I go to box. So here what I have to do is, first I will make a 2D layout. Okay, so then I will go to the 3D. So here I don't do ready-made 3D box. It could be done, but practice the 2D to 3D. That will be very much beneficial to you. Okay, so I will go to my line tool. Okay, so here it has to be, see, I can type 3 feet symbol, press enter. So now this is big, so zoom out like this, then click. Then 3 feet again here, 3 feet enter, then again click, then left side 3 feet enter, again click. Now see, go to the top here in the command line, you see there is a close. Instead of typing again 3 here, if I just click on close, computer will automatically close and give it for you. Okay, so this is 3 feet by 3 feet. Now see, now here comes our actual drafting technique. So now here, what is the measurement of the box which is here inside? This is 2 feet, means 2 feet from 4 sides. So what I have done, I have taken a gap of 6 inches from all the 4 corners. So if I take away 6 inch from here and 6 inch from here, I will get 2 feet. In the same way, 2 feet here. So now how I will get this exact place? Okay, so for that we use several techniques. So one of the techniques I show you. Okay, so what we do, I go to the line tool again. Okay, so here we have O snap settings. In the left you can see O snap. You can on the O snap end. I click on this end. I go to the bottom, type 6, enter and click. 6, enter. Then I go to right side, type 6, enter and click. Okay, so now I got this point. Now I got this point. So now I will draw 2 feet. Now it will be easy for me. Okay, so I take this polyline again. I go to this end point, right side, 2 feet, enter, enter to the bottom, 2 feet, enter, enter, 2 feet, enter, enter, and here I go to close. Just after that I can select this line and delete it. Okay, so this is the way to get things of which we don't have the any anchor point. So we have to manually create a rough anchor point through the line tool and then we have to place it. Again let us go and see the detail of design. Again see, there is a 3-inch gap here and then we have got the leg and the leg is of I think 2 inches. Okay, this is of no, it is 3 inches. 3 inches from 4 sides and the gap is 3 inches. Okay, so here I will go to this line again. I will go to endpoints. This is 3 inches, enter, click, undo. This is 3 inches, enter. Oh, sorry, I entered fit. 3, enter, click, 3, enter, click. Okay, so now I have got this one. So I will create this line again. 3 inches, 3, enter, click, 3, enter, click, 3, enter, click, and I go to close. then I delete this line. Okay. The same way I have to place the fourth thing. So I go to this line tool, click here, 3 enter, 3 enter, click, then enter, enter, from here 3 enter, click, then 3 enter, click, then 3 enter, click, then 3 enter, 3 enter, click, done. Okay, so now I have to copy this. Now see the copy command. Okay, this is a 2D command which we required. COPY, enter, select this object, enter, select the base point, then the displacement point. This you have to practice a lot. Okay, copy. There are short commands for copies also, but still as we work in lots of softwares, basically I less prefer keyboard shortcuts. Okay, but if you are working on one software particularly, then you can remember most of the shortcuts. Okay, I teach many softwares like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, 3D, everything have different shortcuts. So in all softwares I am not prominent in shortcuts. Okay, so here I have created my subject here. Okay, so now I want to convert it into 3D. Okay, so how to convert this into 3D, I will teach you one option only of 2D to 3D, that is extrude. Okay, so in detail classes I will be teaching everything in detail. Now just I am telling you the cycle. Okay, so now I go to Rhino. So here I want to extrude it. So now what is the extrude dimension? Is it given? Yes, I have given. The first line is extruded by only 1 inch. Okay, this top one I have just extruded by 1 inch. How to extrude? Type EXTRUDE. You have got extrude curve. Okay, click on this. I click on the curve, press enter. Now what should be the measurement? So now here go to solid and click, then it will be closed. Okay, so now I want to give this is 1 inch, so 1, press enter. So now this is my box. Okay, so now this is in shaded view. I can convert it into wireframe. Okay, so this one I want what is the measurement here? It is 2 inches. This one I have taken as 2 inches. So what I will do, I will type again extrude, extrude curve, enter, select the curve, enter, then solid is yes. Last time I had done yes, so next time it will become yes. Okay, so this I will make a 2, enter. Okay, you can just click on rendered or shaded and check whether we are doing correctly. Yes, we are doing correctly. So now this 4 ones I want to extrude by 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, how I will do? I will again type this extrude. So now here I will select all the 4 legs together. Okay, press enter. Solid is yes. 2 feet 6, enter. Now it is done. Okay, so now see the chair is placed in an opposite direction. Okay, see like this. So now what I want to do, I want to move this one 2 inches to the bottom. So I will take the move command, MOVE, enter. My object is selected. Click on any endpoint, go to the bottom and type 2, enter, done. Again I will go to the move command, MOVE, enter, select everything, enter, click anywhere over the point here, and this will be 2 feet 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9. I think 2 feet 9 inches. 2 feet 9. Is it 9? 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it should be 9. 1, 2. Press enter. I think it's 2 feet 8. Take the move command again. Select this one. Click on the point. This one, make it 1. Yes. Okay. It has to be 2 feet 8. So now I go to shaded and see how it looks. Double click, maximize it and see how it looks. And click on shaded and rendered and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the product cycle which I am teaching. Okay, so this I am not doing any glorified product or anything. I am just teaching you the fundamentals. Okay, next class onwards, all the 2D details we will do class wise, and accordingly products will come out of that. Detailed 3D we will do, products will come accordingly according to that. Okay, so first you have to know the cycle. That's why I am telling you the complete thing. Okay, so this is about your product layout design, and this is the process. Okay, this one you have to first draft it in a pen and paper, then you have to write the measurement. So now here, instead of doing this plan in AutoCAD, you can directly do it in Rhino, which I have done and showed it to you. Okay, so do this much. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the class. Okay, thank you.